scam. So I wonder what's happened with Lanka. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I'm crusty again this week or today. I'm crusty again, but it's happening. Today we ate. Let me start by saying this. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. Welcome back. So today we go to Soweto Theatre. There's an event. Yeah, City Basabana honoring Bombay. So yeah, we are here. Um, I'm sorry. I'm trying to make an intro and I'm making noise. So yeah, come and meet my people. Come and meet my people. First, let me make myself some coffee, right? Because why not? Let me make myself coffee. I have myself some good coffee. um guys, ne event is like later 5 ne. Okay, go posting it's like 5, but akafika ka 5 ayaqala ka 5 actually slightly later. Yeah, so right now I'm backstage with my team. I'm making myself coffee. Yeah. I'm making myself coffee. And like guys, it's a vlogger during the people, it's not cute. Like no. You should know Alan Kutli. Because why? Akhonogasa. One thing about me, Akhonogasa. So yeah. Son. And the same shit. Hi guys, meet Nicholas.
Hey guys, this is Nick. This is for YouTube channel. Oh, I hope everybody's Baba. We are here at Soweto Theatre. It's happening, guys.
Who's calling me now?
If you are not here, you are missing out.
Where are you? Where are you? So guys, right now we go backstage, right? I didn't show you my people, but Nicola is one of them. My mom and my sister, they're upstairs cosplaying right now with again. I'm not sure that much guy, but he's around. I'm not sure where, but he's here. My tangy coffee. One thing about me, I drink coffee. What? But yeah, we backstage. That's what's up. Sewing is done. Yo, got like a rounder. But yeah, she's done. What a repost. I'm not. What a repost, guys. Not you what a
Ribos. Two websites I boil.
a boy to meet you. Everything.
Abidi.
Yeah. Today's vlog is a mess. A mess, I tell you. Where's my lip stuff? People. Guys.
Hey, man. Hey, what the?
What's one?
I like no time crazy.
Speaking my crazy. But yeah, today's vlog is a mess. Guys, come not to save it like you understand? It's nice. They give us food. We get in the front. Like, hey bro, the lighting is bad, but yeah, man.
Yeah, we came. We did. Now it's done.
Now we're leaving.
Yeah.
We're leaving. What, like outside?
I might come.
So, mohlomong re tla be re na le yena mohlomong.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, tomorrow we have a gospel explosion. Hospeling Tlamela confirm the venue is in time with me. Yeah, guys, today's vlog. Hi. Mishmash, and I understand. But yeah, that's all I can say. It's very cold. Hiyo, I'm just waiting for Mama and Nelo, and I got bone. Baby girl. Guys, I'm officially finally. Ooh, come on, a t-shirt. Not that t-shirt. I must get it. So I think I'm gonna end today's vlog here because why? I'm tired. So today I did a little something. Okay guys, hi. Welcome. Today is, what day is it, Ben? What day is it? Saturday the 13th of May. And welcome to my channel. So guys, yesterday's vlog was a mess. I wasn't sure if I should vlog or I shouldn't. Like, make it sure game guy. But yeah, today we're doing it. We're shooting a gospel explosion. Yes. Come and meet the crew.
Oh, they backlight.
Please introduce yourself to my channel, to my people.
Okay. Sanibonani kamabonga ano kapikinini. I-producer ye Gospel Explosion.
Asbon. Hi guys. Hi guys, Sanibonani kamalam ngusane intombi yasemnambithi City of Diamonds honey. Represent your Gospel Explosion channel 251 Soweto.
But the idea is
yourself. Let's win better lighting.
Sanbolan. My name is Musa Emmanuel, the founder of Soweto and Entertainment. Who gospel industry, nobody gospel industry, they know this face. I'm a coordinator. Most of 80% I'm a gospel shows.
Umuntu ongamazi, like, where are you hiding? Uhlala hayibo. Ini?
Hi, my name is Apiwe Tebani. I'm the camera operator for Gospel Explosion.
Please introduce yourself.
The camera operator here.
As you can see. Okay guys, welcome back to Ospilling. Okay guys, meet Ospilling and our makeup artist. Hey. Okay, let me find a better email. Cause wow. Please introduce yourself, makeup artist.
Hi,
Hi.
do me, and you can find me at ubutebendalo.kazimula. Follow
Siabo.
Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. You'll find me
Siabo.
there. Thank you.
Ospilling,
Hello.
how are you feeling?
I'm tired.
Ospilling on cut it guys. That's all about.
That's why I don't want She's that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, while we're waiting for the artists to do their makeup, I'm eating. I am eating. Nyangazi ngikudla guys. I almost got lost. And it's like I got lost. Ooh, what guys need? No worries. But yeah, I got lost. Ngatholwa. Ubelile. I got lost then. Yeah, I went later because you. Then I'll see you guys later. Ospilling is done.
Alright, stand by.
Alright. Ready.
The first one was marching on, and then now the second one, the Heaven Scroll, which was recording during lockdown. President avale ngabona ngathi ukuthi la uNkulunkulu wami, I don't know what you are saying, but you are saying to me right now, whatever you are saying, actually, uthi kumi Puleng, I trust you so much during this season to take a letter. I wrote a letter and I want you to take this letter to my people. And you know, every time you hear about a scroll in the Bible, it's a letter, there's a message that God wants, you understand? And it was truly an honor that when I was confused going through my own things because it was locked down as an artist, you know how basically doing. But yeah, man, and then I just decided to trust God because in the letter he said, I'm here to heal, deliver, and restore.
I'm here to heal, deliver, and restore.
So guys, as you can see, I'm home. I got home around 6:30. 6:30. 8:11. Guys, I really enjoyed taking content, go the Gospel Explosion, meeting new people, you know, being part of the interviews. Like, it was a great experience. You understand? Actually, I wouldn't mind going there again for another, I don't know, interview. Like, the people there, you know, the energy, everything. Like it's I can say. But yeah, I think I did mention it, but like la shekha, and then ke tlhakanile o so mong she mo tseleng a nna tsamaya le nna a mpatlisa poleke. Then I ended up calling hore ba tlo nglata because I ne ke sa thole mo ke yang. So yeah, yeah, that's all. So now go tlhapa sefatlhego. Tomorrow I'm going to church. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take you with go church, but yeah, I'm going to church. So now I'm just going to prepare water for tomorrow and then go to sleep because why I'm tired. At least then like I'm just going to wear my white dress. Yeah, I. So yeah, man. Good night. Hi guys. What's it? So I just came back from church and I came back like an hour ago. So what about taxi? And it was like fit like a taxi. La bona taba sha taxi. Phone mo taxi. Ke nna o thobile kwa ko pela library. But yeah, a se hola galo. So ha ke tla so ka strata sa ka guys. Ke tlhakana le mama chumi ya ka, right? O mpotsa gore like ne ke bona nene ke le bona ke mothabetse kwa twa gore Happy Mother's Day. A re ko nna batho ngwena ko ga batho mpontsha ngwana hao. And I'm just like ngwanaka nna mo ngwanaka wa hlapa le hlapa. Oh okay. So kwa le mnyako o ha o tswane. Yeah, so o re ko nna a ke batla mmontsha ngwanaka and I'm just like wa kang girl. Ha re ya a ke last time tlhakane le wena mo ka jwetsa gore hey o gained the complexion nna be ke re ko yena. My response was yeah ke re go ke tlela le ngwana o mong, yeah, something like that. Ka nna girl please me no mohlomong non lora or something a ke na ngwana nna. Okay, yeah, and I was just like se ke batla go bona kana le bana go se mngane nyingane self yabo o sa ka story sa gore ke na le ngwana go papa ka sao I want to tsa te le se go ke mkopilang ke tsa kofi ang ke tsa kofi le se go una te like ka etsa o seng I see motshega e futhumatse I late it's not day one hangata o mo itse lo hlapa ke o khutlile and phone ya ka ne e khathile video because what to say how phumula le molomo o nyaka itletse. So yeah, today I don't have a lot to do. Hey, birthday kia guys. So this is how it looks. Tight nyana go ka thola motho pa bo masai 6 so I sagolla a bona le ntlo le phanyana I sagolla yeah. Yes, suddenly. It's all routine. Mama can say yeah. So now click your coffee and I think don't wanna go outside because today I don't have a lot to do. Don't look like outside limits. Bye. 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 See you tomorrow. Peace.
I'm just here to irritate her.
Hi guys, today is Tuesday. Meet a lady. I did from my previous vlogs. Late. Never mind this. I just made myself coffee and some nuts. This is what I'm wearing. Yeah, so today is Tuesday. As you can see, I'm a rest. I came back yesterday. So I went to look at my passport. Yeah. My one kile ka passport yaka. And cishe ngasikenywa. Scam. So la bona ba tshabedlang ka montle ba like ka montle go homa face. Ba bankang bo dinepe, ba rekisang bo dipene ba. Yeah. So abuto mpotsa re ke tlo etsa nyamo ke tsa passport yaka. A re tla mo tla nka snipe ba tlo hloka snipe ka mohara. And like ke tsa mo dikhupulo ka nna go ke tsa bitsang ID yaka. Ke le ka nka snipe na. How so I ke tsamaya le ena re lo nka snipe ka mole. Ha ntse number 1 re ke kae? Ha ntse nix nka snipe a se ke sprintile. O ka nna patala ke re ke kae a 60 rand. Ke re 60 rand. Hai. Mole ke re tseng e re ke phone lo sa ka ngomelle tšhelete because ke tsereng ya passport so e re ke phone lo sa ka ngomelle tšhelete. Be ke itse ke re ke tlo khutla ke sa lo qala line ke tlo khutla ke tlo nka sniper se ke tlo fihla ho and mmona kwa kwata because a ke printile sniper tlamelo se ke re ke atla ke kene bele ka mo home affairs ke botse security re na re hlokang ka dinepe for etsa passport a ga ba le shoota ka mohara ha itse ka tshwara nyeshile ka tshwitse ka re yazi ne kwatile hampe ke ga batle ba ka 60 rand yaka ba ka 60 rand ka tšhelete ngata jwang student jo so yeah and then we love a load shedding on a go ebe se ba re speed points a bona sebetsa go ne ke tswa tšhelete vele ya ntseng ena ya passport ne ke tlo ipatala ka card so ba re machine wa bona o sebetsa ke mathe ke ka mo you save ke batla lo ntsha tšhelete and then ba ga bana cash and ha ke mmona ke tswela ka ntle o no mmona go kwatile because like ntse ne batla e etsa e wrong guys ba tsaka go mafa ke kopa le batlo seng batho ba bankang dinepe ka montle ba batla go renkela ke kopa le batlo seng ba tibeleng because ba scam batho ha iyo ntse ya bona ka fa le bona ba tseba ha o hloko go nke snipe ka ntle go tlotsa ID ya hao or passport or whatever o tlo yetsa so yeah then ha qeta ka everything be ke tla moval on my way from Vernaching to Berwet Kina ke dutse ka taxing ha go shota motho one ke botsa nkgono wa pela ka taxi ke kae khana a re 18 rand a isetsa ke thola se kae ne feta ka 3 rand ne feta ka 3 rand so ke nna o ke bula suitcase ke sheba ntshaka ya masalo rena a kana di coin ka mo ke tsholo 2 rand be se ke fetela ka 5 yo la tso kopa tšhelete go ne ke qala go fetela ke tšhelete taxi so tlamile ke like next show ke kopa nkgono o dutseng ka mo kapa o so dutseng ka mo ke ntse ke inahana ke re tla ba kopa taxi tloa yo ka ba kopa ka kopa nkgono ka mo re yo maka ka kopa ntlatsa ka 5 op stima sam shotela ke tšhelete taxi you at my big age ka mo kopa nkgono wa 5 op then ka ke fihla mona ga ba load shedding kana go batla khona ke re light heater ke re tsa tee ba itse keng yo I shame ka vele ka ithuba lao I ordered food na ltho yaka re jile ya rekile dijo and then ka aya go mo ya hae ka sha ka mona le nna ka qeta ja ngalala le phone ya ka ile ba off ngalala so yeah today I wanna go campus I like campus ka wena lecture ya ka because ke mo romella email I think ka di 4 and today ke di ka 16 ke di 16 but sa ke romella ka di 4 and then ka mo romella yona hape ka di 6 or 7 Hassan Karab. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I could claim lecture. Then what a few groceries that don't last till next week. I can say Maria sometime next week or till the 26th. I can say like yeah, ke lo reka dijonyana king oh what a tell yeah it was it's a 2 days fela today like ke bona ja campus then ja Pick n Pay then ja tla mo tlo robala and like no, I have an assignment to do yeah, so this vlog ends here.
Bye.
Goodbye, thank you guys for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share my videos. Yeah, and just know that I love you guys. A cool footy. See you on my next vlog. Bye.